Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Smartmockups for fast branding presentation decks. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin configuring Smartmockups for your branding presentation decks, first, open your web browser. Navigate to the Smartmockups website and log in to your account. If you don't have an account, you can easily create one by clicking on the Sign Up button. Once you're logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Locate the Create a Mockup button, usually found prominently on the home screen. Click on this button to access a variety of mockup categories. Browse through the options to find the category that best fits your branding needs. Select a mockup that resonates with your presentation goals. After selecting a mockup, you will see an option to upload your own images or designs. Click on the Upload button to import your branding materials. Ensure your images are in the correct format and size for optimal results. Once the images are uploaded, drag and drop them into the designated areas of the mockup template. You can customize the positioning and size of your images for the best visual effect. After adjusting your images, explore additional features such as backgrounds, effects, and colors. Modify these settings to align with your brand's identity. Once you are satisfied with the mockup, click on the Export button. Select your preferred file format and quality for downloading. Wait for the rendering process to complete, which may take a few moments. Once complete, download the mockup to your device. Open your preferred presentation software to insert the downloaded mockup. Arrange it within your slide layout for a cohesive branding presentation. Repeat these steps for any additional mockups you wish to create. Utilize the same techniques to maintain visual consistency across your presentation. With these steps, you can efficiently create and configure Smartmockups for impactful branding decks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.